Ever wonder why a tiny fish in Hawaii decided gravity doesn't apply to it? Meet the Nopoli rock climbing goby, a fish that literally scales waterfall like it's auditioning for Ninja Warrior. Here's how it works. It uses a suction cup mouth, slaps itself onto wet rock, and then inchworms upward, one sticky wiggle at a time. And get this, the current blasting down on them is strong enough to knock a human over, but these guys just shrug and keep climbing. Scientists say the journey can take days, and some fish climb hundreds of feet. And the craziest part, they do all of this just to find a quiet place to chill upstream. Nature really said, skill issue gravity.